Hipfig Travel Channel offers DIY travel video guides for more than 25 cities in Asia, US, and Canada. If you like this video, then subscribe, give us a thumbs up, or a comment. Welcome to Hipfig's Travel Guide series on Dubai, United Arab Emirates. In this video, we'll share our experiences with the Palm Jumeirah Inner Circle Tour by boat. Our Palm Jumeirah Inner Circle Tour by boat guide will help and guide you for your visit while you're in Dubai. The Palm are man-made islands in the shape of a palm tree in Jumeirah, Dubai. Only residents of the Palm Islands are allowed to drive inside the fronds of the palm, so the only way to view the area is by boat. We took a 90-minute Palm Jumeirah Inner Circle cruise on the Silver Queen. We chose the Silver Queen because it was part of our Go Dubai package and was the only boat which has a license to cruise through the inner harbor of the Palm. We arrived at the Palm West Marina of Jumeirah near the trunk of the Palm by taxi, as it was the most convenient for our needs. You can also catch the sightseeing bus, which has a stop at the Palm Jumeirah Marina West. Our taxi driver had some difficulty finding the marina as it's hidden behind tall buildings, so give the address of a Rispiska Cafe, which is Shop 13, Palm View West Building, Palm Jumeirah. At the time we visited, public transportation was a little complicated, so it's not recommended, and the monorail station near the Palm Jumeirah Marina West was not yet open. Please note that to get tickets, you must make a reservation. Go to hipfig.com for the link under Palm Jumeirah Inner Circle Tour by boat. We got our tickets for the Palm Jumeirah Inner Circle Tour by boat as part of the Smart Destinations Go Dubai card package, which is a multi-attraction discount card. It saved us about $300 per person on all the Dubai attractions we went to. Our cruise was at 9 a.m., which worked out perfect for us since mornings in Dubai are warm but not too hot. The boat was not crowded either, which made for a very peaceful cruise. The West Marina is gated, so we told the security guard that we were here for the cruise, and he opened the gate. We walked down the dock to the boat. The name of the boat, Silver Queen, is clearly marked on the side. We were greeted by the staff, who checked on our reservations and ushered us to the top deck. We were offered bottles of water, and they offered other beverages for sale. There was plenty of seating under an awning if you wanted to avoid the sun. They put some nice music on, and we began our cruise. Because the inner palm is enclosed with a seawall, the water is calm and the boat goes at a leisurely pace. As you get out of the marina, you're treated with a view of the Dubai Marina and the tall JBR skyline. JBR stands for Jumeirah Beach Residences Area. As you continue, you will see the fronds of the palm, which contain private beaches and mansions owned by the rich and famous from all over the world. We saw a young child playing near the water on an empty beach. It was so picturesque. If I was a painter, it would have been perfect. The sun's rays glistening on the water provide the perfect backdrop to the Atlantis Hotel. At the halfway point of our cruise, we saw the iconic Atlantis Palm Jumeirah up close. It is pretty breathtaking. We went under the monorail bridge, and then you can see the Aquaventure Waterpark and beach. All along the way, we had an English-speaking guide who shared pictures and stories of the Palm Jumeirah and pointed out residences of the rich and famous. The staff were very knowledgeable, professional, and they offered to take photos for us in front of the Atlantis Hotel. As we continued on the cruise, we saw more hotels and residences and the Burj Al Arab Hotel. The Burj Al Arab Hotel looks like it's floating on the sea. This 7-star hotel is an iconic structure in Dubai. As we continued our cruise, we saw the other half of the fronds and then passed by the private islands of the royal family of Dubai. We saw the royal family's yachts of all sizes moored on the island with the Burj Al Arab in the background. What a perfect picture! There are other companies which offer tours in the Palm Jumeirah area, but they go outside the sea walls of Palm Jumeirah to the Arabian Sea. For your information, there are bathroom facilities on board should you need it. Near the end of our cruise, we closed with another spectacular panoramic view of the JBR area. The Palm Jumeirah Inner Circle Tour by boat was one of my most memorable experiences of Dubai. If you have time, you should definitely go for this Palm Jumeirah Inner Circle boat tour. Happy travels! Go to hipfig.com for more information, or go to our Hipfig travel channel on YouTube and be sure to subscribe for regular updates.